Hi guys, today I'm back with another resin mold testing. This one is a little heart. I'm going to use it to make a little keychain for a pencil case zipper. So I've actually put down a really tiny thin layer of UV resin, and then I'm going to put some dried flowers in the bottom, and then I'll put some clear resin, UV resin over the top, and we'll see how this turns out. So place that in there. Okay, I'm going to take my UV resin and I'm just going to put now straight in there a clear layer over the top. Okay. Alright, I'm going to hit that with my UV lamp for 2 30-second cycles on the top, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'll do the bottom as well for another 30 seconds. Okay, let's see what this has turned out like. Wow, that's great. It's turned out really nice. Well, this is going to be I'm going to put a jump ring there, and it's going to be the pencil case zipper holder. So yeah, I think it's turned out wonderful. So thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe, and please catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye guys.